Okay, what we have here is a 2012, the 48 XL12X, the bobber, the 48, 73.3 cubic inch, with the bob fender and the solo seat and the fat tires. But it's got the weak sounding pipes on it. So what we're going to do is we took the pipes off, the mufflers. You hear the fuel pump? We're not going to run it long. We just want to see what it sounds like there without any kind of pipe on it, muffler. Now we're going to take the baffles out of the pipes and we're going to put them back on, and we'll give you another demonstration.